Hi everybody, so I'm going to give you a little tour of the big garden, what's growing in it right now, just a little update. I'm going to flip you around. We got a sunflower right here. This row we had broccoli. It didn't do too well. I mean, we grew some, but the bugs kind of had a heyday on the broccoli. So that's what's in this first row is some broccoli. And then over here we have kale. The kale, there was some spinach, that's done though. There's some butterhead lettuce, that's about done. And then green leaf lettuce we had right here, and Calden ripped all that out. So then this is the other end. Calden just went through and tilled all of this up. We had potatoes. He told me what else we had, I don't remember. Onions. We had onions in here. So he went through and he tilled all this up. He just went through and flattened it and then ran a hoe through it. He made 2 lines. We're gonna do some succession planting and plant a row of carrots and a row of beans. He's inside grabbing those right now, I think. In this row we have carrots. This is kind of where he went crazy with the carrots. We didn't thin them. He just kind of threw them in there. There's a lot, and some of them are pretty good size, and then some of them are not a good size. See, that's what some of them are looking like. And then there's some pretty big ones in there too. Not quite ready yet for picking. I think these are cauliflower. Yeah, no, cabbage, I'm sorry. And then we have cabbages growing right here. I'm about in the middle of the garden. And then I'm not sure what that is. Maybe more cabbages. And then over here we have a bunch of tomatoes. So we have these tomatoes growing. Oh wait, I think those are bell peppers. Yeah. So we have those. This might be bell peppers. More. What else do we have? Here's some more. I think these are jalapenos. I don't know. Keldon will correct me. I'm not sure exactly what some of this stuff is exactly, but we have some more peppers right here growing. There's some growing in there. And then tomatoes. He did a Florida weave right there for the tomatoes. I'll show you what's the progress on those. So down here we have this row and this row. There's a trellis, and then he Florida weaved. That's what those are looking like. On this side we have, where are some? Here's some. Little baby tomato. There's a whole bunch down here growing. There's some. And then throughout here he had squash and zucchini. He ripped those up. We might plant some more, I'm not sure. Right here we have some onions. All throughout here. I did not go through and weed the onions like he told me to, so it kind of got taken over a little bit. But that's okay, you live and you learn. He's coming back. Throughout here, I think we have some butternut squash. I'm not sure though, I'm pretty sure it's oh wait, yeah, here's some. Okay, so here's the butternut squash. Yeah, they're out here. And then there's some green beans throughout here and purple green beans. There's the purple green beans. They look actually pretty cool. And then over here, these are supposed to be loofahs. I'm not sure where the loofahs are, but we planted them right here. And then over here we have, on this trellis, some sugar snap peas. Oh my goodness. Are these cucumbers that are orange?
Yeah, they're just ones that didn't get picked.
I did not know that. So we have some cucumbers that we didn't pick, and this is what the cucumbers look like when you don't pick them. They're just like giant orange cucumbers. And then in the middle of the garden over here, he planted a chestnut tree. Here it is right here. Right here. That's a chestnut tree. So right now he is planting some carrots and beans over where he just tilled it up at. I'll show you the sunflowers he planted. So on this side of the garden, he planted a whole row of like mammoth sunflowers. It actually is pretty cool. And then here's some butternut. And then the farmer's cornfield over there on that side to the left. This one's actually like pretty big and heavy. Look at that. Almost as big as my head. Well, that's like a mini garden update of everything in the big garden so far. We harvested potatoes, we harvested onions, sugar snap peas, green beans. I have a chuck roast going in the crock pot right now with potatoes and carrots and onions from our garden. There's a little garden update.